Hi, this is Vadim from Online Training for Everyone, and in this video, I'll show you how to create QR code for the PDF file. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. To create a free QR code for the PDF file, navigate to the free online tool Generator QR. Here, you need to select PDF. I'm going to click Upload and select the PDF file that I would like to upload. Once I click Open, the file is selected, and I need to give QR code a name, which in my case is ChatGPT tutorial. In the next step, I'm going to click Customize and Download QR. And what this tool is going to do, it's going to upload the PDF, store it online, and create a shareable link in the form of QR code, which could be clicked to access this PDF file. Now I'm going to scan this code on my phone to verify that everything works. And as you can see, QR code successfully links me to the PDF. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more helpful tips and tutorials, visit Online Training for Everyone. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day.